If you are a small TikTok creator and you want to grow your account faster, TikTok just launched a new tool that is going to help you blow up. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. My TikTok account grew by 400%, or to be exact, 4,000 followers after using this tool. Not only that, my contents also went viral. The TikTok tool that I'm referring to is called Creator Search Insights, and this tool is free for you to use. To access the Creator Search Insight tool, you need to go to your TikTok feed, and on the top right hand corner there's a search sign here. You just need to key in Creator Search Insights and then hit the search button. From here you are able to see view. So this is how to access the tool. Just tap on the view and you can start to use the tool. Since this is quite a new tool, you may find yourself having this follow button instead of view. Please be aware that this follow button is somebody else's TikTok account and this is not the Creator Search Insight tools. When you click more, you're able to see lots of TikTok accounts that created this account to get free followers. If you want to access to this Creator Search Insight tool, you need to have the view button. This is the right one, so you need to see this view button here in order for you to access to the tool. So this is a pretty new tool on TikTok, and they will slowly roll out this to other countries as well. So in case that you do not have this tool, then there is one hack that you can try. No guarantee though, but a lot of people tried this and they say that it works. So in case that you do not see this view button and you saw a bunch of follow buttons, then you need to do this. Go back to the search bar and key in Creator Search Insights and put a dot. Put a dot at the end, that means put a full stop at the end, and then click search again. You'll be able to find the view button. Try it and let me know if it works in the comments below. Okay, now let us go into the tool and see how this app can help you in your content creation. So basically this is how the tool looks like, and this one will be only accessible on your mobile devices, so it can be accessed on your iPad as well as on your iPhone. So there will be two tabs here. One is the suggested tab and the other one will be the trending tab. So let's go to the suggested tab. This one is mostly giving you analytics and also the topics that is highly searched specifically for your audience. And under suggested tab there will be another 3 tabs, namely the all, content gap, as well as searches by my followers. When it comes to all, you can see there are a lot of topics frequently searched by my followers. On the all tabs, you are able to see what are the contents that is highly searched for the past 1 week. So that means these are the topics that are mostly searched and is more on the trending side. How to get TikTok suggested hashtags, gym workouts for beginners. So how this all tab comes about is TikTok access my browsing behavior. What are the topics that I usually browse? And these are the topics that's highly trending for the past 7 days. And when you see something like this in a red color percentage, like this plain tracking app, so we need to pay very close attention to this in red because these are the ones that is highly trending. Once you tap on the keyword, then you'll be able to find a graph. As you can see, the trend is rising up. I think probably because of the SQ321 turbulence incident that happened recently that drives this trend up. And because of this plane trend here, my viral video of a plane went viral 2 years ago and it became viral again recently. So that's why this Creator Search Insight tool is very powerful to help you find your trend that is suitable for your channel. Now let's move on to the next tab, which is the content gap tab. So this tab actually tells you that these are the keywords which are highly searched by my followers, but there are not many contents on TikTok about these topics. One very good example is this wireless vacuum. So I have been making this wireless vacuum cleaners video for my TikTok shop affiliate products, and this one is some sort of having a trend again. So previously it was trending, so I made a video last year around September, and right now it's trending again. So that's why right now my video is gaining traction again, even though it's an old video, and it gives me sales as well. So that's why this tool is very good to give you up-to-date trends. So if you guys are doing TikTok Shop affiliate program and you want to promote products for your TikTok shop, then I think here is a very good place for you to do your research, because like for example, under content gap, there is a trend of this Montego water bottle that goes viral recently, and you can see there's a rate percentage going up. That means it's trending for the past 7 days. And in fact, I do keep on seeing this product being shown on my TikTok feed. As you can see, it's trending up, so I think it's better for me to apply for a sample and then promote this product while it is still trending. So do take note that these keywords always changes, as well as the percentage always change as well. Sometimes this percentage will go back to this kind of data whereby there is no rate, that means it's not really that trending, but you can still do the content for your viewers. Now let us go to the next step, which is the searches by followers. This one is self-explanatory. These are the keywords that my followers often search recently, and it's trending right now. So there's like 2-room flexi design. This probably because of BTOs, and then 2000 calorie meal plan. This is something trending. Portable screen extender. Yep, these are the things that my own audience often search for. So this one, I always see these air fryer recipes. It's something that is always trending, and it's always having this red color percentage ever since I started using this creator search insight tool. Next, we have the trending tab. So basically, these trending tab are the keywords that are generally trending internationally. So it could be something that is trending worldwide. So one of the good example is the how to see top artists on Spotify, and then they have this Redken shampoo, Dior saddlebag, how do you forgive yourself? Oh, this one, like Manchester United versus Man City. So probably there's some football game going on and you can see this trending. So these are the ones that you can do research based on different category as well. So you have fashion category, they have food category, like baking recipes. I think this is something evergreen. You can always see this red color percentage as well. Sports, tourism, gaming, and science. I personally seldom come to this trending tab here because I find that my topic is more inclined towards the suggested part, because I think it's the way that I do my research, and every time TikTok is able to pick up what kind of things that I like to watch, as well as what kind of things that my followers like to search for. So I think this is more targeted to my own audience, and hence I often use suggested tab. But I'm not telling you guys not to go to the trending tab. You can do so you can toggle between both tabs to do your research. Another way that I like to do my research is by searching the specific topic. So for example, if I want to do a research on a topic on weight loss or anti-aging, for example, let's say we go for anti-aging. I want to do for my client anti-aging product, a skincare product. So I want to come here to do my research and I want to see what kind of topic is trending on this area. So let's say anti-aging. Okay, so I like to do this because like anti-aging skincare over 40. So it's suitable for me. I can do one content about that skincare and probably a good anti-aging product, and I can recommend it to my viewers. There is this anti-aging skincare for over 50 best anti-aging products. There are so many content ideas that I can get from just doing this research. So this is something that I always use. Anti-aging for men, there are many people who search for this. You see 1000% in demand of this content. Okay, it's going trending down right now, but it's always up and down. TikTok Creator Search Insights is not just a tool to help you find contents that your audience wants to watch. It will also help you to give you ideas on what kind of content you should create. So how I like to use this tool is whenever I am out of ideas for my contents, I will just go to Creator Search Insights and see what kind of contents that my audience frequently like to search, as well as the contents that are trending right now. So this makes my job much easier. How I wish that they had this tool earlier. I hope today's TikTok tutorial is able to help you grow your TikTok account much faster. If you want to utilize TikTok as a platform to help you grow your brand as well as your business, I have more TikTok trainings over here. So make sure that you check them out, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!